Linking is usually the hardest part of SEO. A real stumbling block for many people. It can be labor-intensive, tedious even. The good news is, after watching this course, you'll be a step ahead of many of your competitors. I hope at this point you have an understanding of the link building process and feel comfortable finding link opportunities and making them happen. You just have to do the work. Keep your eyes open for link opportunities. Do a little work here, a little work there, and use a variety of linking techniques. Some of you will see results very quickly. Others are going to have to work harder. I've said it before and I'll say it again. If there is one thing that you do to try and gain high-quality links, it should be to focus on high-quality content. It may be helpful to keep an eye on Google updates recorded by Google on developers.google.com if you're looking for even more resources for link building. Neil Patel, one of the most respected voices when it comes to SEO, has created a list of link building resources on his blog at the address on the screen.